Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a lunch that your cat will approve of. For this, you will need sausage, butter, a saucepan, and a plate, a cutting board, and of course, a cat. If you want to add sauce, do so. You start up by defrosting the sausage. Either you can wait however long it will take, or just do it like me and place it in the microwave for about 5 minutes or so. By now, my sausage should be done defrosting. Oh, I put it in for a little bit too long. By now, it's out of microwave. Your cat should smell it and start yelling at you. It's important you give them a little piece and after you make them sit and make pop. But for some reason, my cat is more interested in the window. Never mind. She saw it and now she's wrong. So you should cut up the sausage in tiny pieces. I'm doing triangles. But first, just go. Give your cat a little piece. Sit. Cliché. Okay, so now I'm cutting my sausage up into triangles and folding them. Wait, what? I'm cutting them into triangles, so I'll come back when this whole thing is cut up. Now that you have gotten the sausage ready, you are going to turn on the stove platform at the highest degree and add some butter. Add some butter oil. Now we wait until the butter has stopped speaking to you. Though if you still hear some whispers, it's not the butter. So I'll come back when this is done, well, heating up. You should actually start with heating it up so that it doesn't take forever like it does for me right now. Once your butter has started actually cooking or frying, you should always turn on this motherfucker so that it doesn't like start making fumes in your room or in your kitchen. Sue me, but I'm going off script. My butter has just started speaking to me, so I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. And while I noticed that some of these are a bit too chunky. So I'm just going to. Right now I'm cooking this on such a fire, but it's now all this. It's my butter. It keeps staying in the. And remember to remember to flip it so that it doesn't get too brown. Let's yeah, and so now I actually done. This will take about 10 minutes as well. Maybe even more. They start by speaking still vegetable. Oh, and remember to also down into the platform. I have less than 1 minute before it's bad. And now we have. Alright, that's great. But that's not the I can control. And now you should have. Delicious chopped sausage. Maybe. And now I'm going to give one. Well, soon I'm going to give one to my cat so that these can cool. Almost 4 pieces. Now I'm going to feed it one of the cooked ones to my cat. Mimi, den är varm. And now for the end, you can add any sauce you want. I added oh fucking it. I added ketchup and the bab sauce, and I just mix these two to make my friendly pink sauce. Now, taste test. Taste test. It's very delicious. Do this or don't. I don't care. I lose one. Bye.